Good morning, traders. This is Ed Carter with the Trader Vision 2020 Featured Trade Idea, the setup and trade plan for Monday, September 10th, 2018. Today's trade idea will be YEXT, Y-E-X-T. As we can see, it's been in a strong uptrend here since February or May, depends how you want to look at it. And most recently, it has done a nice run-up for the month of August, done a little profit-taking pullback here, forming a J-hook, or certainly trying to hold on to the trend line here. And it's now trying to break out of this J-hook, and we're looking for the next leg higher. After Friday, printing a trader's best friend on Friday, doji, followed by a strong bullish candle. It did test, but has not broken out of that previous high to get out of that J-hook yet. I will be looking for a buy on the breakout there with a fairly tight stop down below, using this level in here, basically across the top of this open on that black candle, the bottom of the high doji, and the top of the body of that other doji as my protection for a stop. As you can see, there's no history here, so if we go out to a weekly chart, it's just not been that long. It's just not been public long enough to have much else for us to go off of there. So let's go back to the daily and plan out a trade. Since we are at all-time highs, our targets will be off of the fib extensions of this previous run-up. And I'll use the 38.2 and the 61.8 as my targets. So let's plan out a trade. As we can see, YEXT has 4 bullish and 2 bearish conditions. We don't recognize that trader's best friend. It's not exact because of that upper wick. We do have the bullish J-hook pattern working for us. And all we have really going against us is the short-term market bias, this pullback of the last week, and the pullback J-hook action of YEXT itself. Let's plan it out as 1 entry and 2 exits. I believe earnings are out of the way. Should have reported the end of August, and that would give us a good 2+ months until we need to look for earnings again. Let's call this let's call this 27.30, and the stop 26.40, with a first target up here at 29.55, and then on up around let's call it 30.95. Trader Vision tells us we can do 166 shares. I think 200 is going to be too much, way too much. Let's see if we can sneak by 150. Yeah, we can sneak by with 150 shares. So if we were to sell half at that first target, first of all, 150 shares would give us $135 of risk to our stop. If we were able to sell half at that first target, we would get 2.5 to 1. If we had to sell the whole position there, we'd pick up $337.50, which is very close to our trade goal. But if we could sell half there and hold on to the remainder, we would be able to pick up 13 1/3% at that second leg. giving us overall almost an 11% trade and a $442.50 profit. So that will be our trade plan for today. Please bear in mind your view of the markets. The futures are showing some bullishness this morning. Not rampant, but up about 0.5% when I checked them here half hour ago. And so bear in mind your view of the market as well as your trading style, rules, and criteria. If you do decide to take it, I wish you the best of luck. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below if you enjoy these videos. And we hope to see you in the trading room.